Good morning, everyone. It's Rita here, and I wanted to do a flip through on the Tuesday Trash It Tuesday. You know what I mean. Because I want everybody to have time to take a look at this and comment on it. And so, if you comment on this video, on this flip through video, then your name will go into a drawing and I will pick that name next Tuesday. Okay, so it's just a little winter theme folio that I used, a book that I got at a thrift store, which was a Harry Potter, and it was kind of like a folio as well, but I took all the pieces out and redid them. So the closure is just a tie on the side here, and it goes over here like this, so you can just leave it this way. This little house we did on camera, and then it has a little tag in here. I wanted to do this yesterday, but I saw stuff I wanted to finish doing or try to do. Two little Tim Holtz people in here, just sitting there in their home. And I think I need some glue up here, but I'll do that. Then inside here is the first side, and I put a pocket here, and we made this on camera, this little house pocket, and I backed it with some cardstock. And then over here I've made a journal card, a pocket and a journal card to go into here, which I tried to make it also look like a house. So I kind of did the roof like weird. Maybe it's not weird. I think I've seen roofs like that before somewhere. And then I put some Tim Holtz here, pictures behind the acetate. And then I put Mom, I guess, who is at the front door of the house. So, and then I put a little crystal, what do you call it, on the back, brad, so that it would look like those old crystal doorknobs, or at least that's what I was thinking when I did it. And I sewed around it and used a guest card for the background. And this is the chimney, which also serves as a tag. So I did that little piece. I didn't decorate in here. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put, but you guys, whoever gets this, and you can add to it whatever you'd like to do. Okay, then it opens this way. Now, over here, I put two holes in, two eyelets, and I thought I was going to put a journal in here. Well, it didn't work. I'm not sure if I can explain what happened, but here's some pages that I was going to slide in. Now, I was going to put elastic, not the ribbon. And since, I'm trying to get these in. Since this won't work as a journal in here, I am leaving it blank, and that's why I put ribbon. I don't know if you can do something with it or not. See, it will not close. It should, it just should work, but something is weird. So even one page or two pages, it still doesn't fold right. So there is no journal in here, but I don't know. You can maybe use it for something. I'm not sure, but this is trash. Everything is made from trash, and well, most of it except the papers. I did print out some papers. So anyway, have this little closure here, and inside here we have two journal cards, and I made these little pockets or little journal cards to go inside these. I thought they turned out really cute. And then this one here, and that was from Roxy's Creations, that card. And that one, I can only fit a couple in here, but I think this turned out pretty. I really do. Okay, so over here I put a tag here, and it says creativity, and it's the meaning of creativity: the ability to use or explore the imagination to design and express ideas. So I felt like, because we made this out of junk, that was our ability to explore our imagination. So it turned out to be a perfect little thing to put there. That's from Tim Holtz. Then you can open this here, and this is the first page here, and there's nothing there. You can write on it if you want. And so every other page I put something on. This one has a belly band that we made, and it has a tag in it. Oh, this one also needs one of those little journal cards. Oh, well, I may not get to it because I got so much to do. Okay. Then this page is a blank page. You can put photographs or pictures of Christmas or snow or whatever. Little, there's another one. I guess I just made a whole bunch of these and used them all. Those are so cute. That's why. So cute. So that's a little flip there. And, yeah, you can put, maybe I'll see if I can find some other photographs or something. I made this little pocket. I think I showed this to you. And we put this little house in there. I probably should have had a chimney. And then this one is the big house that we had with the metal roof. And I covered that with paper. And I need to go back and re-glue because, oh, you know what? I didn't glue. I was waiting for fabric tack. So I did buy some Beacon fabric fix at Hobby Lobby. All these, even though I mixed them with some, it's just old. I've had it, probably that bottle for 2 years or more. And I also got this other glue that was priced pretty good. It's like 5 ounces. It's called Weld Bond. I'm going to give it a try. It dries clear. I just want to make sure that it doesn't show. But there are times when you want to put a hinge, you want to glue something into like a hinge, and it's stiff. And I usually use fabric tack, but then I always get it on the outside. So I thought this little adapter would work better too. So we'll see. I'm going to do a glue thing here in a few days about glue. Anyway, so that card I need to work on. Then if you go back to this part, then you can open this like this. And you can journal on these pages, but you can also make pockets and put whatever you want. So I am going to send with this as much ephemera that from the kits that I have. So if you want to add some more to it, you can. I don't think that'll cause a problem with the book closing. Adding more on this side is just, and then I thought, well, maybe if I put the journal on this side, but that I don't think that'll work either. So, that is our little giveaway, our December giveaway. And yeah, you just need to comment, you know, you just need to say hi. Nothing elaborate. And I will pick someone on the next Tuesday. I don't know if I'm going to do Trash It Tuesday next week. Kind of running out of trash, or actually maybe I'm running out of ideas. I don't know which. But anyway, so I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy watching this. And it doesn't matter which day of the week you watch it, because you don't have to watch it until, well, I'm going to draw on Tuesday, so I would say Monday would be your last day to make a comment, okay? Because we're usually like a day behind here. All right, so thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate everybody, all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my Facebook members, you know, just everything. The Happy Mails, the Buy Me a Coffees, the super, whatever it's called, a super, I don't know. Anyway, I got one of those. So, yeah, you know, all these little things help, really. I love, you know, the Happy Mails because you just get things that you just can't get anywhere else, you know, and I enjoy them. And I enjoy making journals for you guys. I get a little overwhelmed sometimes, but it's just, you know, that's life, and things get to you now and then. But I hope in the new year I will have a different perspective and get a little more involved, or get you involved. So thanks again for watching, and if I don't see you on another video before Christmas, I wish you a happy Christmas and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We know that. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.